acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and this is week number 4 of my weekly challenge. This week I'm gonna do another different diet, and is the sweat diet made by Kayla Itsines. Kayla Itsines is an Australian personal trainer. She's also an author. She created recently this app called Sweat, and it's a very nice app. Have a look if you want, and it's got like different sessions. It's divided like a session for workout, where she offers different kind of workout, indoor, outdoor. You can do wherever you want, with or without equipment. And then there is a session separate about the food, and so about the diet. She put a diet for a month, so all the following months is gonna be the same. For 4 weeks you're gonna repeat the same food, the same amount, and you can choose between a standard, pescatarian, vegetarian. I tried this diet a couple of months ago, around March, April, when I decided to change all my lifestyle. And because I didn't want to try kind of diet, difficult diet like the keto, the paleo, where you have to eliminate lots of things, I was looking for something a bit more flexible. And this sweat diet is very good because you can eat basically everything. I'm gonna try this diet for maybe 1 or 2 weeks, just because I want to have a break before another hard challenge. Morning, actually good afternoon, because it's lunchtime after my night shift. I just double checked and I've got the 5 working shift before my holiday. I'm having lunch and tada, extra quinoa salad because yesterday, you know, the quinoa salad that I made for lunchtime, I cooked some more because I wanted to leave for today after my night shift, because I'm quite lazy. And actually this one today is quite pinkish because the juice from the beetroot, and I add also some tuna because I want more protein. Yesterday evening instead I had the tuna sandwich made from home, and I eaten at work. I can't believe I finally managed to come to the park to get a bit sunbath. I am in my swimming costume. I mean, not completely bikini because I can't see anybody else around with a bikini, so I don't want to be too much vulgar. And I've got the sun just behind me, so I'm trying to get a bit color on my back. I've got with me my protein shake, chocolate protein shake, just to fill me up a bit, because the quinoa salad I've eaten at lunchtime, it wasn't too much for my stomach, so okay. Is that a love or fighting, guys? What are you doing? It looks like they're having fun. Yesterday, well, not completely naughty, let's say inspired. And yesterday evening, just before to go to bed, I made this lovely UK flag tart, but it's very low fat, seriously, because apart the short crust itself, I put inside just like a coconut cream, and on the top just some berries. I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, honking the omelette I've just made. It's amazing. Just talking a bit about healthy life, I just came back home from Specsavers where I had my annual eye test check and contact lenses check, and everything is okay. I was just complaining with the clinician about some dryness, constant dryness in my eyes, and the guy mentioned about to take some omega-3 oil, which apparently is very good for eye health. So I went to Holland & Barrett and I bought some omega-3 oil. Omega-3 can be found mainly in fish, but also if you're vegetarian or vegan, you can find it in flaxseed, so there is an alternative. So I bought this one today. I prefer the flax seeds because the idea of taking the capsule with the fish oil inside, I don't know, I've got a bad feeling that maybe my breath is gonna smell of fish afterwards, so I just taken like the vegetarian option. And then, because I love Holland & Barrett as organic shop, I bought this one. I don't know if you tried, guys. I love Vita Coco. It's mainly the brand for the coconut water, but this one is with coffee and it's so good, guys. And then, bear with me, I bought also, so I've been naughty today, protein snack. Good morning, Friday. It's a running day today, isn't it? And I am together my protein shake to start better my day. I've got a feeling that my app, Coach 5K, today is gonna give me a very good session of run. Hi there, I'm just finished to run 5K. I'm back home now. Before to get in, I went to the shop and look what I bought. Ta-da-da! Black truffle oil. Just to make jealous my boyfriend, because it's not common to find it here, and if you find it, it's very expensive. Look, it's got some truffle on the bottom. So today I'm gonna make something with truffle oil. Ah. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, finally. I'm having breakfast and I'm having a slice of bread, gluten-free, and some smoked salmon and an omelette, which I started to eat already. And then I'm having a cup of coffee because I really need this morning. Later I will meet one of my friends. We're going for a little trip around Richmond area and I will show you where we're going.